and all I ever wanted was to reach out and touch another human being, not just with my hands, but with my heart. I believe empathy is the most essential quality of civilization. The world stands in need of social systems, renewal in a global age, and schools represent a key cultural institution that can shape new generations of young people to be forces for good in the world. The question confronting those of us interested in education as a primary means of social change in this regard is this: how can we better educate young people today, not only in the academic skills and knowledge that they need to succeed in the global economy, that is the head, but also in the social, emotional, ethical, that is the heart, and the practical skills, the hand, that they need to flourish and to be engaged citizens who can help address the pressing global challenges of the times of today. Social inequality, political corruption, social division, and ecological devastation. Project Connect Plus under Shaurya Foundation has taken this initiative with the 3 prestigious schools, that is APS Jalandhar, APS Mamoon, and APS Patiala, to bridge the gap between school, community, and environment, between living and learning, and thereby allow students to develop and apply knowledge and skills in the immediate context of real life. So the main benefit of project-based learning is that it can better prepare our students with life skills and set them for future success. Relationships formed during collaboration is a huge part of project-based learning. Not only do students learn how to work better in groups, providing their own inputs, listening to others, and resolving conflicts when they arise, they build positive relationships with teachers, which reinforces great learning. Students form relationships with community members when working on projects, gaining insight into another career. Students build on their research skills and deepen their learning beyond memorization and rote learning. With this in mind, Project Connect Plus was initiated, and today we have with us Principal APS Jalandhar, Dr. Saksham Sim, whom I would like to invite first since she is not there. I would request Kamaljeet ma'am, who will speak on behalf of Principal APS Jalandhar.
Thank you, ma'am.